Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can create a budget in Quicken Simplifi. In order to do so, here we are at quicken.com. And if you want to get started with Simplifi, then you are going to need to pay a subscription of about $2.99 to $5.99 a month. Right now there is a sale, but that might be for a limited time only. Let's go ahead and ask Cider AI how we're going to create a budget with Quicken. Cider is a fantastic tool that is an extension for your Chrome browser. Once you install it, you'll find this icon at the bottom right hand corner. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and we can enter in our query here, but we're going to go ahead and click up here to go to full page chat. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to find out with Cider how we're going to create a budget. According to Cider, creating a budget in Quicken can be straightforward if you follow these steps. First off, you're going to want to log into your account with Quicken. If you haven't set up your finances in Quicken yet, add your bank accounts and transactions. Go to the Planning tab on the top menu and click on Budgets. Select Create a New Budget. You may see options for different budget types. Choose the one that fits your needs. Decide if your budget will be monthly or for a different period. List all sources of income. Enter fixed costs and variable expenses for each expense category. Set your target amount based on your spending habits and financial goals. Review the initial budget and adjust the categories or amounts as needed to ensure it reflects your true spending. Regularly check the budget view to track your actual spending against your budgeted amounts. At the end of each month, review your performance and adjust your budget for the next month as necessary. Use historical data if available to inform your budget. Keep your transactions current for better accuracy. Set up alerts for when you exceed budgeted amounts. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you are interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. You'll find there a link to our link tree. There you will find a link to Cider AI. Click on that link to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.